So today we have a quick install, less than 2 minutes for an engine air filter. I'm doing a K&N just because I want to prolong the life and I'm planning on keeping this car for a while. So we're going to start by removing 3 clips. These are super simple. You just clip them back, press down and back. You'll have a total of 3, and the third one is going to be tucked in the back. Next, I'm going to unclip the sensor. You don't need to do this, but I'm doing it just so it doesn't snag. I don't want to damage it if I don't have to. And there are 2 clips here that are flat, so I'm going to slide it to the left to unhook them. So do not forget that, otherwise you're going to be struggling and you might break them. So as you can see here, I'm going to lift from the left and slide to the left as well. Super simple. Now I'm going to remove the existing engine filter. I'm changing this one early. It still had another 10,000 miles in it, but I'm going to replace the other one. As you can see, the K&N has an oil finish to it, so this is part of how it seals and how it does so well. So you might want to put gloves on or just be cautious that there's oil on it. So again, this filter probably sits better than the one I had. And this one only needs maintenance every 50,000 miles. You could probably have it for 1,000,000 miles. So you'll save money, it's more economically friendly, you're polluting less from purchasing filters over and over. And every 50,000 miles you can just touch it up. K&N sells a spray that re-cleans it. And again, you kind of just slide those flat ends back in, wedge it down. Make sure it's snug, so I'm removing it again just to make sure there's no opening. So there's the first clip, second clip. Make sure the clips are also on properly. You don't want to leave them loose and then you could be losing performance. Clip it back and you're good.